You know, someone once said, if all the worms on the planet died, then the Earth would die. But if all the humans died, the Earth would prosper, yeah? That's deep, man. That's deep. I want to show you an example of nature taking back control over man-made objects. Follow me.
Deep in the heart of these woods, there's an old rusty van. Over there. But this rusty old van is not what it seems. Well, it is what it seems. It's a rusty old van.
A rusty old van?
What I mean is, in the back of this van,
Yeah? Go on.
the rear side wheel arch, nature is fighting back. These ickle tiny blackbird babies have been born to a blackbird mummy. Isn't nature brawl? These little blackbird babies were filmed with a camera on the end of a very long stick so as not to go near the nest and disturb the nest. Don't disturb the nest. Don't destroy nature! Love nature! This video was sponsored by Nature.